Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Samfx YouTube channel, and this is Xiaomi Mi 11X. As you can see, 5G Xiaomi 5G 48 megapixel. This is the Xiaomi Mi 11X or the Redmi K40 or the Poco F3 custom ROM reviews. Welcome guys, welcome to my new video, and you will have a dedicated group for each and every smartphones what I have. Similarly, you will be getting a dedicated WhatsApp group is available for this particular smartphone. I recommend you to join the group. There will be lot of discussions and will be given some of the links. But anyhow, in the description, check out the flashing method and what is the firmware used and how is the this particular ROM. Everything will be written in the description. Check out little bit of description too and watch this video completely such that you will understand everything in this particular ROM. We'll be seeing everything in detail regarding this particular ROM for this Mi 11X or the Poco F3 or the Redmi K40, like benchmark results, how it handles in BGMI. Everything will be explained. Stay tuned till the end of the video guys, and we'll begin this video. Let's begin this video. This is an Android 14 based Derpfest OS. You can see this is the Easter egg what we get. If we press and hold here, the vibration haptic feedback is also very good. You'll get this kind of game. I don't know how to play that as of now. We'll come back here. As you can see, Derpfest version 14. It's still written as official alpha for Alyth, which is Mi 11X, and maintainer you can see here. And November 1, 2023 is the latest security patch available, and the kernel used here is 4.19.246. No kernel has been used, and Linux status is enforcing. This is the version of Android and the security patch. You guys can just see there's a number one latest security patch. We'll see one by one. First, let's start with the home screen. This I really like it, the wallpaper. You get plenty of wallpapers too. This kind of pixel kind of wallpapers and some of the A wallpapers will be given. As you can see, press and hold here, wallpapers, and if I choose more wallpapers, as you can see, Come Alive is there. A wallpaper, as I was spoken about this. Living Universe, you get plenty again. Community Lens, in that I chosen one, maybe no. From the curated, no. For fun, you get these kind of motif cityscapes. Plenty are given. I taken from textures, maybe. Yes, it's textures. The wallpaper I have taken. There are plenty. If you want to use any third-party wallpapers, you can use that too. And this is an Android 14 feature. Yes, visually people looking for Android 14 feature. I really like this kind of lock screen. As you can see, this how it looks simple. Seconds pin is moving slowly, and followed by that we'll see the minutes and hours, and you get all the color size you can adjust. Actually, for example, if I want to make it greener here, yeah, again we'll see lock screen. Yeah, it's become green now. Getting close for some reason. Let's close the app. I will close here. Again, press and hold here and select wallpaper and style, lock screen, clock, and yeah, it's getting force close. This is the bug I have noticed as of now, but this is not going to be happen in any other Android 14 ROMs. This is the only visual change we have, but that is not working. Anyhow, we'll go to widgets again. You get clock widgets, as you can see. Other widgets like YouTube Music, other widgets you will get that. Battery widget I will explain within a while. And there's a proper dialer. You get a Google dialer here, as you can see. Direct video call feature will be there, and even the call recording feature is there, but it will announce the other person that you are recording a call. And these are the quick settings panel. You get slight animation here. For example, if I turn on flashlight, as you can see, you get animation for each and every toggles here, and you guys can see these are the options. Sync option is also present here. In the edit section, you get plenty of options other too. As you can see, you can drag and add them above, or you can drag here. Vice versa, you can do both of the things from here. There's a quick settings panel. I haven't noticed any lag in the quick settings or anything like that. There's a brightness slider with automatic brightness slider log. When the toggle is been given here, you will see some kind of app active status from here. Currently active battery is in status. You can directly move into settings here. Settings panel is also smooth here. I haven't faced any lag in the UI as of now. And power button, you will get all these options like panic trigger is given, system UI, it will reboot the system. Screenshot you can take from here, as you can see. And again, power button, you get power off, restart, and lockdown. Emergency feature is also given. You can customize them in further. I will explain that. This is the home screen, and These are the apps you get. And going into home settings, there's a pixel launcher, guys. It's a pixel launcher. You get clean pixel like experience. You get other options too here. Enhanced notifications, suggestions. If you want, you can add them. I will close it down. You will see suggestions has been gone. Camera application is basic use here. Let me start with that only. As you can see, basic things, it will work fine. Video capability up to 2430. Okay, 4K 30 fps option is given. What is this? Settings. This is the app we get here. Camera, the simple camera. But if you want anything advanced, you can use G cameras. Plenty are available for Mi 11X or the Poco FC or the Redmi K40, guys. And DRM information status, you guys can see level 1 certified. No need to worry watching high definition videos in OTT application. There is no problem regarding that. Apart from some of the apps like FM radio, is it there or not? FM radio is not there in this particular ROM. Instead of that, you get this gramophone. I mean, it's a media player. If you want, you can use it, but nowadays who will use it? We have digital music players, we can use that. And again, Viper FX is given. This is an sound enhancer system. Just use one of them, you will get some of the settings here too. You can play around this to make output a little bit better. I mean, the sound output a little bit better, guys. It will going to make a huge difference if you can use it. That safety net status, again, it will get passed. You can always use the phone pay or Google Pay payment applications. Everything going to work fine, no problem regarding that. As you can see, and this is the Accu battery results. You can see here, I even charged the smartphone. I'll show some of the stats and some of the screenshots later, but I'll show first the Android benchmark result. As you can see, app opening time, it's taking a little bit of time, and scores are here. 6,24,062 is the score, and temperature raise was 1.5 degrees Celsius, and battery percentage of 4% has been dropped during this entire testing of Android benchmark results on this Mi 11X. After flashing in the Derpfest OS, we are getting these kind of scores. Not just that, I took some of the screenshot too. We'll start images, select here. We'll start with the Geekbench only. 1127 is a single score and 3117 is the multi score, and Android version is 14. Again, Linux 4.19.246, no kernel, or 64-bit this is. And you can see here the scores are very good. It was taken yesterday actually. If you guys can see, I'm using this ROM from long time now, and this is a 100 test CPU throttling test results. You guys can see maximum is around 303, average 249, and minimum is 223, and it's throttled to 78% of its max performance. You hardly see any red lines, but there are some yellow lines. It's fine for 15 minutes. This is a 100 test case. It's good, I can say, but don't believe in just this benchmark results, and this actual day-to-day performances also make a huge difference in my opinion. And this is turbo charging support is there. I mean, the 33-watt charging support is there. You guys can see after fully charged, you get this kind of warning here from Accu battery, but you can make it out. The mAh reading also you can see here. You can see around what PM it is, around 7:29 it was 72%. And what was the time? No, 6:31, and here it is little bit of time is not noticed. Anyhow, you can see 6:15 like that by seeing this graph. That's the charging speed here. Is quite fast. I really like it. We'll move into the settings now without any late. You guys can see it's very smooth. As I spoken before, you get plenty of options regarding apps. These are the options you need to definitely check out, because in the default app section there is, as you can see, color ID, and select the phone application, or if you want to use it a true color, use that as a default color ID. And spam app, if you want to choose messaging also, you can choose here. You should definitely look at these options in order to maintain your default apps. Derpfest, again, battery setting, you get styles here, percentage, battery percentage when charging. If you want, you can enable clock settings. Some of the toggling has been given, nothing more here. Status bar icons, as I spoken, if you want, you can disable from here some of them. And traffic indicators, I mean the memory speed, you can see from here. That's working fine. Miscellaneous settings, you get just colored icons, notification count. If you want to see that, you can do. And logo, again, you can position left and right, and logo style plenty are given, but I chosen this Derpfest one. If you want, you can change them from here. Nothing a huge customization, but still I liked it. notifications again, reticker, landscape only, use app clone background, colored background. Quick settings again, some of the customization, as you can see. You can even position the brightness slider, auto brightness icon, battery style again you can choose here too, and some of the animation, duration and tiles you can select from here, which is quite interesting. Actually by default this will not be the quick settings panel. Will show you into quick settings panel style, small icons. As you can see, this how it looks actually when you flash the ROM, but you need to go into settings and make it large bill, or even you can adjust the columns also from here. For example, what I'm doing here, as you can see, now it's a little bit far from the each thing. Again, if I come back here again, you can adjust them, landscape and portrait. As you can see, it's even far now. How much number is high, you will get closer in the quick settings style. As you can see, now it's very much closer. If you want to revert back to the large bill, just press here, it will revert back to large bill, which we can see in any Android IOSP custom ROMs, which is quite interesting. This you need to definitely try it out if you want to make it some changes in the QoS panel. Again, lock screen UI, you get that error and authentication vibration. Clock format, you get plenty. Again, there's nothing but we can revert back to that setting. Media cover art is given, you can adjust the blur of it. Always on display, battery bar when charging, and always show the battery bar, you can enable or disable from here. These are the Derpfest customizations. Now moving to actual settings like thermal profiles for individual apps, you can select. For example, in order to make the YouTube, like make it as a streaming like that, you can make it out. It will consume less thermal, the less battery and low efficiency, the power efficiency. You can choose it from here, thermal profiles. It will make huge difference in terms of battery life and efficiency in the UI. You'll get better and better using this thermal profiles. For example, BGMI, again it's a gaming, choose the gaming, you'll get maximum benefit of this processor. Use this Snapdragon 870. If you have forgotten that, just reminding you. Battery usage, you guys can see I'm using it from yesterday. The battery life is very good, excellent, I can say, for an Android 14 ROM. This is a very good ROM. Derpfest was usually pushes some updates. Enable charging control, you can make it out. As you can see, custom schedule automatic and limit charging, you can do that. Battery optimization, again from here you can optimize some of the apps and even block sensors also you can do from here. Battery widget, as I said, there's an Android 14 feature, yes, kind of, but not that much. Again, sound and vibration, you get individual options to increase or decrease them. Alarm volume, increase ringing volume, you can do that from here. Do not disturb mode is given. Again, you need to go through every options once you flash the ROM. There are plenty of options actually. You can restrict to some of them from here. In the do not disturb, phone ringtone you can choose here. Live caption, again you get plenty of options here too. Smart pause option is given, you can set the timer here. Media player, again you get plenty of options here too. Vibration and haptics is turned on, you get a intensity of it, and each and every options of vibration you can customize using the intensity of it, and even the patterns are also given in this particular ROM. That's it, you won't get any direct sound enhancement, but instead of that you get wiper effects, as I said before in the video. Hence I recommend to watch the video start to end completely. In order to flash this ROM, you will definitely get an idea how you will get in this particular ROM. Display, again brightness level, you guys can see. Adaptive brightness is also given. Lock screen customization, again here are two. Screen timeout up to 30 minutes is given. Screen attention is new thing you can add from here. And dark theme, again let me turn this on, and pure black is given here. As you can see, this how it looks in the pure black condition. I really like this. They need to continue to add in the stock ROM, like pixel kind of devices or pixel experience, you definitely don't get that. Again, night light you can schedule and increase the intensity. Colors option just 3. Full screen and tap to wake, tap to sleep, both are working fine here. Enable blurs and high brightness mode, just disable them, it will drain the battery. Refresh rate option is simply missing, but anyhow I hope it is in the 120 Hz refresh rate. I can feel the smoothness. The wallpapers and style I already explained. Accessibility menu, it's a very much handy feature. Like go to accessibility menu, just turn it on without actually using the physical buttons. You'll get a reliable on it, such that you can use this. For example, again You can increase or decrease the volume even without sliding the notification toggle. You can even increase the brightness and other things, which is a cool feature. You should definitely try this accessibility menu also. There are a lot more in the accessibility menu. I explained in previous videos. You can check out them. Location, again, you get use assisted GPS. If you want, you can disable that too in order to get a very good battery life. System, again, gestures, you get all the options. Swipe to 3 fingers, screenshot, navigation mode. Into the gesture navigation, you will get this option of back gesture height like that, but there is no option to increase the strength and radius. But anyhow, it's positioned well in my opinion. That is good thing. One-handed mode, again, it's working fine. And split screen in the Android 14, yeah, we'll press here split screen and use some other apps like Android 2. Yeah, that's how the curves are a little bit trimmed here, makes a little bit different, like looks like it's a foldable device, but it's not. This is how the split screen options are given. These are the settings and some of the apps I have installed on the benchmark users. Let's see BGMI, how it handles and what all the graphic settings we get. See guys, regarding BGMI, few people ask about show me in the Sanok bootcamp or show me in the classic matches. I do agree that, but I'm in low level here. Just want to make sure that how it handles. I already played some matches actually. One classic match, not that many as you guys can expect. But what I noticed regarding graphic settings, again, you will see smooth plus extreme is the maximum settings you get, nothing like a 90 fps or anything like that. But the smoothness in the way is fine. Regarding 60 fps, you won't get any gaming mode is there. You can see the live fps count. You can drag and add here. Anyhow, you see, yeah, will I can able to get any kill or not? Let's see. The position of where I'm sitting is a little bit difficult for me to get any kills, but anyhow, I tried one. Yeah, he took with me the sniper, bolt sniper M24. Okay, again I got the kill from him. Anyhow, that's the experience what I can share you in this particular ROM. The gaming experience is good. Again guys, with this not just the gaming depends upon the ROM as the kernel you use, also the internet connectivity and the skills you have and the game optimization. These things makes a huge difference guys. Game optimization, some of the updates of the game also makes difference. Currently it is good optimized, but I can say the PUBG Mobile, those things are a little bit better in my opinion compared to these games. Finally I got a kill. We'll come back here and RAM management, again you guys can see RAM management. This is a little bit of a bug here regarding the split screen. The smartphone itself become a split screen here. Yeah, anyhow, it's still in the split screen mode. We'll do one thing. If you use a little bit more regarding these apps, then you will come to understand what all the bugs you have actually. As you can see, now if I go back here, that's gone. It's a little bit bugs, but you can manage it. And stereo speakers separation is also very good in this particular ROM. You won't get any Dolby Atmos or pre-installed ANX camera. Those are the shortcomings, but I think it's a good ROM available Derpfest for Poco F3 or the Mi 11X. I really liked enjoying this ROM. Security features, you get just fingerprint unlock, not a face unlock as of now for many of the ROMs. We'll be seeing it out in the upcoming builds. If I can say this is an a daily driver ROM, yes it is. You can directly go and flash this ROM and use it as a daily driver. If you are in a previous Android 13, I think you should decide well. If you are happy with Android 13, no need to jump and update this. You can still stay on that because the face unlock and other things will be coming soon in the Android 14 based custom ROMs. Guys, this is Sampath. Will be signing off. We'll see you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.